I'm Mike Jolley from Cube, Senior Manager of Technical Support at Canadian Solar. When you're connecting your strings, the Cube inverter, the hybrid inverter, is a string inverter. As such, it will come with either AP Smart Rapid Shutdown pre-wired, or it will have Tigo Rapid Shutdown pre-wired. This particular unit has AP Smart pre-wired. When your PV string is turned off, your AP Smart will have the system off. The system is also off right now. You can measure 0.6 volts for Tigo or 0.7 volts for AP Smart per panel. So if you have a 10-panel string and before the system is on, one handy check is to measure the DCPV that's going through the AP Smart or through the Tigo before it's actually connected. To do that, you have a couple options. There's little holes in the terminal block, and you can stick your probes in there, as I've done, as long as you have long, skinny probes similar to the fluke meter I have. And you can see this one is 2.2 volts. So this 2.2 volts, we're going to take that and we're going to divide it by 0.6. So we've got probably only 4 panels in series on this one. If your probes do not fit inside the terminal blocks, if they're too short, they're not long like the probes I have, you may be able to go on the bottom side of the DCPV disconnect switch and measure directly there. It's not real convenient, but this is a great way to troubleshoot your strings. Remember, if it has a Tigo, you'll have 0.6 volts per panel. If you have an AP Smart like this one, you'll have 0.7 volts per panel that you should measure. If you have far different from that, you most likely have a problem with the wiring of your string. You may have a panel that's not completely connected to your AP Smart or Tigo device on your roof, or whatever SunSpec rapid shutdown you're using. We will send the AP Smart for any SunSpec rapid shutdown device. So Tigo only works with Tigo. AP Smart works with any SunSpec Alliance rapid shutdown device.